In our paper, A Model-Based Approach to Language Integration, we discuss about problems due to interaction between artifacts written in different languages. We present a preliminary approach to solve this issue using language workbenches. And finally, we discuss briefly about a research agenda for language integration. I will show you the problem with a very short example. Consider some XML file which refers to Java classes. You will write the name of the Java class inside the XML file, but what happens if you just change the name of the Java class or delete the class? Simply, the XML file will be incorrect, and the editor will not be able to find the issues, to report a problem, so you will have to manually check for consistency. Instead, using a language workbench, it's possible to realize concept just for the purpose of language integration. To show our approach, we just implemented a concept that permits to introduce a reference to a Java class inside an XML file. For example, I can insert a reference to a Java class. Now, if I rename a Java class, for example, in this way, the file is automatically updated, so everything is aligned. If I delete the class, the system is able to recognize the problem and to report an error and resolve references. So, thanks to language workbenches, we have the possibility to have consistency checks also between artifacts written in different languages. So, let's say a global consistency. And we think it's a real important issue, language integration, especially nowadays that we have projects realizing many different languages. And there are a lot of topics that we should consider. For example, we need empirical assessment of the problems due to language interactions. And we need a categorization of the mechanism of interaction between languages. We need approaches to solve these issues. Our is just a first example. And I think there is a lot of work to be done in this direction. And we just hope with this paper to get a little bit of attention on this topic.